Just see a northbound train coming in Richmond, Michigan. See it?
Yep.
Oh, my camera's getting blurry. How close do you think it is? You can use the binoculars.
I would say it's around 30 mile.
Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah.
We can walk right there.
I've got to get out of the wind. I'm cold.
Huh?
I'm cold.
I know we are. Maybe there was one behind it, because yesterday there was a... Wait, 2 weeks ago I saw one behind the double stack.
Really?
Two just for me. It's coming. Yeah, Grandma, it's coming. It's getting closer. Friday night, cool. Friday night train. Remember that train we saw before? It was a night southbound. Remember that? Aren't you surprised? I was surprised. It's usually the northbound at night, but there's a northbound coming, so. I'm pretty sure it's long too. Alright. It's coming. It's coming. Seeing northbound, seeing non-seeing northbound. I get messed up. Like, there's a non-seeing northbound seeing train coming in Richmond, Michigan, right? Okay. By the way, is that car still everywhere? Or should it stay on the building? Is that where you guys buy that car?
Mm-mm.
How about that silver one?
No.
Where did you buy it at?
We bought some before there, but they don't sell new ones no more.
How close do you think it is? Should we check real quick?
Go ahead.
You don't want to?
I'll stay here.
It's hard. I don't know how close. Don't worry, I don't know. Yeah, it's coming. See it, guys? It could be another double stack. We'll see. It's coming now. At the race, we're going to get McDonald's. Yeah, it's already much closer now. Yep, it's getting a lot closer. Maybe Uncle Steve will see it on the way home.
Maybe.
Why? You don't go with me?
He just went to get a few things, honey. Do we have time to warm up?
Huh? I think the gates are down at Figure 1.
Really? I'm cold.
Really?
I didn't bring a warm coat.
I know. Should we check real quick? You want to check and see how close it is real quick?
Real quick.
I'm not trying, I'm sorry, Grandma, I'm just asking, that's all.
Cold.
It's hard to tell in the cold weather because it makes it foggy sometimes.
Huh?
You know? What do you think it is? Probably about what?
It's still probably about 30 mile.
Really?
It's moving slow, it looks like.
Oh, my video, man.
We'll shut it off for now.
Actually, yeah, wait, no, I'll leave it on. I have enough memory. I have to fly.
Yeah.
Where you going?
I'm gonna go in the car or go over here.
Take that on. I think it's so great. Are you going in like a laundromat?
I could. You wanna go in there for a minute?
I'll get out here.
Aren't you cold?
Yeah, but if the train comes, what happens?
Yeah, but you'll see the blinkers go on.
I'm not gonna watch it.
No, we're not gonna watch it in there, but I've got to warm up. I'm cold.
Alright, that's a good idea. Yeah, guys, it's a train coming. It's getting closer now. It's getting close. Here it comes. Yeah, I hear it. coming. Yep, here it comes. Yeah, it comes, guys. It comes to see northbound in Richmond, Michigan. I hope you guys enjoy it. Here it comes.
Where is it?
It's real close. 31 gates went down.
Oh, alright.
Your truck will be real fast. It's right there. Here it comes. The gates are down at that middle crossing now.
Alright.
Here it comes, Grandma. High five. Can you wave at me?
Yeah.
Okay. Here it comes.
Idiot.
Gates still get down. Let me get the gate part first. Well, in the train. See it? Oh, it's a cop. Yep. Cop. Here it comes. Check him real quick. Right there. Here it comes, Grandma. The gates are gonna go down. Here it comes, guys. Seeing northbound steam train in Richmond, Michigan. Oh, yeah, Richmond, Michigan. Here it comes. Yep. Gates gonna go down. Hurry up, cars, there's a train coming.
Yeah.
Right there. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here it comes. You hear it?
Yeah. It's right there.
Yep. The gates go get on right now.
Pretty quick.
Yeah, in 2 seconds.
Yeah, it's moving real slow.
You think it is longer?
Probably.
Moving slow.
Yeah, it is.
Hey.
Better hurry, people.
Man, these gates are kind of what? I think it's gonna be a long one, guys. Here it comes, Grandma.
It better go down.
God, how many engines does it look like?
I don't know.
One, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, one engine. It's double stacks. It's a double stack train.
He's stopping.
Going very slow, that's all. How many engines?
I don't know, B. I don't know.
Wait. back away? I'm gonna stop real quick.
What?
You stopping? Why are you stopping?
I don't know. I'm cold.
Take a number.
No.
Take a number.
Was it?
He didn't make it, that's alright.
Yeah, he did. Plus, he was beeping at you.
He was waving?
Yeah, and he was
Really?
beeping. Didn't you hear him?
Yeah. Why is it going slow?
He might have just started up.
Is he going up beside you? Nope, I thought he was.
Hey, there's...
Double
Hey,
stack.
I'm going to have to go in for a minute, okay?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Are you going to the laundromat?
No, right over here.
Wait, what? Man, the gates at 32 sharp. Double stack, it's just going slow. You know what? He's stopping. He might block the track. Damn it. Better not stop. Awesome, double stacks. Friday night, cool. Yeah, he's gonna speed up now. Yeah, he's gonna speed up. That's good. Why is he going so slow? There had to be another train in front of this one. Good. This is the second northbound. 8916. I knew it was the same train. But it wasn't the same engineering stuff, it was different. Cool. I hear another train. Not any longer than that. You guys, here's part 2. I just don't want to waste my bag, so here's part 2, okay? More double stacks, cool. These are my favorite northbounds. These are my favorite trains, too. How are you going so slow, man? happen again. I can wish I'm going to check real quick to see if there's another train coming, okay? Just see if there's a third one coming, let's see. The train is going slow. It came at 9:50, so that's when it came at 10 o'clock p.m. More double stacks. Here's one train, we got to see it. One, that's cool. Yeah, he's going towards Japan right now. He's also going to go to Canada. I think there's another train behind it, like yesterday. We'll see. You're going slow, man. Awesome, a double stack. Double stack, but in a mobile train. Cool. Oh. Alright. Yeah, double stack. It was biggie on it. Intermodal. CN intermodal. Cool. CN we delivered. Man, that's a long train. That might be the end up there. Nope. I thought it was. I thought that double stack right through was the end of it, but it wasn't. My bad. Man, that's a long train. I can't believe it. Trains real long. Gates are down at 32 now, see them? There it goes. Oh, now it's starting to speed up now. That's what I want. There it goes. Finally. High five. Rolling one. Friday night. Oh, happy Friday night. After this, we're going to have McDonald's for dinner, so, okay, alright, enjoy the train. After this, we'll check to see if there's another one, okay? Man, this train is long. Am I happy now or what? Are you guys happy? I'm happy. Not yet, I thought it was. God, that's a long train. Look how long it is. Yeah, now it's speeding up now. Could be another train behind it, I doubt it though. I think this is the last northbound for the night. This is the second northbound. We missed one earlier while we were at the auction, but here's the second northbound in Gary. 8916. Remember that one we saw last night? Same engine. Same train engine. But not the same cars, different cars. Enjoy the double stacks, enjoy the intermodal train. Cool, huh? Give me the last part. My battery's half dead, but that's alright. Yeah, it's going to speed up now. There we go. Oh, that's a long train. 2 hours later, it's a long train, man. Wow, it's speeding up now. There we go. There we go. I don't see any more double staff. Guys, train. Here's the end. There it goes. That's it. Finally, there goes the gate.